Vector images or vector graphics as a concept sit alongside bitmap in terms of what you would learn. So whereas a bitmap is made up of a series of pixels on a screen, so addressable areas of a screen which are then given a particular color, vector graphics use objects and coordinates, and you can think of them as like shapes that are then drawn on a screen. The one that you can see in front of you is a simple star shape that's been kind of recreated and slightly enlarged 4 or 5 times, and the colors changed. Now, the thing about vector graphics that you need to understand is that vector graphics are scalable, which means that you can increase the size of them without actually affecting the overall quality. And in fact, if we just do a quick Google search here, it won't take us very long. If we just have a search for bitmap staircase effect, you can see the problem with bitmap images in that what happens is, and we take this nice picture of like Bart Simpson here, for instance, when it's scaled up, when it's extended out and made larger, the individual pixels are essentially enlarged, and therefore we lose some of the quality of the overall picture itself. Whereas as a vector image, conversely, if we were to increase these shapes here, simply the coordinates and the objects would adjust, and therefore the actual shapes would not lose their quality. So we can scale without that. Another thing about vector images is they generally create quite small file sizes, because rather than storing about the individual pixels themselves, what you're able to do, or what you are doing, is you're storing the coordinates for the shapes, and then the scaling of those shapes is just a mathematical formula that's applied to them.